US GDP is significant, like it's the thick end of heading towards $30 trillion. You would expect the GDP growth to remain elevated, possibly above trend. I'd say, if we're to trust Treasury, that's like kind of, a +3 in front of it. So the rest of the Western world, particularly the mature Western world and the G7, can only just look at that and salivate. But the underlying problems are they've had an inflation print which was elevated, but the underlying pressure is easing. It is hard to see how tariffs can further ease inflation. So that's a very difficult concept to digest. I mean, I think we were talking off air, that you've got this return to the strongman idea of, 1980s economic policy, except the strongmen are championing policies popular and protected economies. So this communist flavor, which is kind of bizarre for avowed capitalists. But anyway, if you're to look at it, to break it down to pure numbers, you would suspect, given the pro-business, low-tax rhetoric, that sentiment alone would continue to elevate the US economy with a +3 quarter on quarter. That's +3% quarter on quarter growth. The tariff, it remains to be seen whether that's actually a bargaining tactic. Inflation is heading in the right path, but again, that overnight cash rate at sub 5%, if that was to come down further, that would be far more positive for markets